for a little bit, surfing didn't sound as fun as what I was doing at the moment. Now I just look at it as whatever I feel like doing, I'm gonna go do that. And then it's gonna lead to something else, So it all kind of intertwines together. Because when I'm surfing more, then my mind's kind of more free. I feel better, and it's kind of, the less I focus on one thing, the more all the things work together. But yeah, I think overall just kind of having a change in routine helps a lot. Just to go to a new part of your life and to kind of accept it and just roll with it. When I first started painting, I kind of would paint. I painted so much, like all day, every day. But I would also work slower, so I didn't really necessarily have the technique as much, So it was a lot of like learning and figuring it out, which I'm still always going to be learning. Now I just almost do the opposite, where I just don't think about it at all before. It's more of just like a reactionary experiment of just enjoying the process and enjoying something that comes out, just how it's going to come out, But it kind of fits perfect with what I'm kind of into right now, Yeah, so kind of just like a more nomadic style painting, where I can just, anywhere can be my studio. If you're working on watercolor, it's like you can just use the ocean water, and then using the sand and the texture of the painting and stuff. I don't know, it's kind of cool. It's fun. It makes it a whole experience to kind of use what's around you and just improvise as you go along. you're getting paid to surf, you know, maybe it's not gonna last forever. And just being bored with just surfing and being sponsored for surfing, and you just naturally kind of wanna do something else with your time, you know. I always just wanna learn new stuff. Everyone will know that feeling, whatever interests you. And then we can always pick up something new that will take over that for a little bit or whatever.